How do you think the history of bartending affected of our situation? The history of bartending has a significant impact on the present day. Practice of mixology and the culture surrounding it historically. Bartending involved from simpler alehouse and taverns in ancient civilization to more sophisticated establishment in the Middle Age and eventually to the modern cocktail bars of today. Who is the first bartender in the world? The first bartender in the world is Jerry Thomas' establishment in image of the bartender as a creative profession, creative with the being a father of American mixology. He earned this title of publishing Jerry Thomas Bartender Guide, the first guide to making cocktails in 1860. Which country are really active in bartending? This is the reason why we are discussing to the bartending countries from the United States and UK, Japan and Spain. The top of bartending countries are the also countries with a strong cultural base. There are also specific cities in each of those countries and regions. What is the purpose of bartending business? The primary purpose of bartending is not a simply make drinks and put money in the till. The primary purpose of a bartender is to deliver one and welcome customers. Service